Icons are an easy and fun way to add color and impact to your presentations. Change to the Insert ribbon tab and click Icons. Browse all the categories of icons and place check marks by clicking on the ones that you want to use. Then click Insert. You can resize them. You can move them, change the color of them, and even add graphic effects to them. For more impact, insert a shape over the icon, and then send the shape to the back. You can even add shape effects. To set a background image to an icon, select the icon, change to the Format tab, and then click Convert to Shape. Click Yes, and now in the Format tab, you'll have more shape fill options, including choosing a picture. You can browse a fill picture right from your own computer. To keep your Office skills current with the most up-to-date and comprehensive courses, go to linkedin.com/learning.